We take this as a moment to express our solidarity towards all who continue to suffer in various ways due to the conflict. We light our lamps and candles. As we light our lamps and candles, we remember, we mourn, we express our solidarity and commit ourselves to address the root causes to prevent such violence repeating again.
ඔබ සියලු දෙනාම මේ මොහොත සඳහා අප සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. අනුස්මරණය කිරීම සඳහා අප හා සම්බන්ධ වීම ගැන සියලු දෙනාටම ස්තුතිවන්ත වෙනවා. අපගේ ප්‍රජාවන් අත්විඳින ලද අවුරුදු 26ක සන්නද්ධ ගැටුම අවසන් වී අද දිනට වසර 11ක් සපිරෙනවා. සමාජය තුළ සාමාන්‍යකරණයට ලක් වී ඇති අප එදිරිව ඔවුන් යන ආඛ්‍යානයෙන් ඔබට ගිහින් ඔවුන් සියලු දෙනාගේම අත්දැකීම් හා සම්බන්ධ වීමට මේ මොහොතේදී අපි ඔබට ආරාධනා කරනවා. ප්‍රචණ්ඩත්වයෙන් පිරි වසරවලදී අපට අහිමි වූ සියල්ලන් අනුස්මරණය කිරීමට අපි මෙය මොහොතක් ලෙස සලකමු. සන්නද්ධ ගැටුම හේතුවෙන් විවිධාකාරයෙන් පීඩා විඳි එමෙන්ම දැනටත් පීඩා විඳින ඔබ සැමට අප සැමට අපගේ සහයෝගීතාව ප්‍රකාශ කර ගැනීමට මොහොතක් ලෙස අපි මෙය සලකමු. මේ පහන් සහ ඉටිපන්දම් දැල්වෙන විට සියලු දෙනාගේම මතකයන්, අපේ ශෝකයන්, අපගේ වැළපීම්, අපගේ සහයෝගීතාවය ප්‍රකාශ කිරීමට අපි යොදාගමු. සහ එවැනි ප්‍රචණ්ඩ ක්‍රියා නැවත ඇතිවීම වැළැක්වීමට මූල හේතුන් විසඳීමට අප කැප වෙන බව අපටම මතක් කරගමු.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைய இந்த நினைவு குரல் தருணங்களுக்காக எம்மோடு இணைந்து கொண்டிருக்கின்ற உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள். 26 வருடங்களுக்கு மேலான ஒரு நீண்ட கால யுத்தம் நிறைவு பெற்று இதோடு 11 வருடங்கள் நிறைவு பெறுகின்றன. ஆகவே நான், நீ, அவர்கள், நாங்கள் என்கின்ற பேதப்படுத்தல்களுக்கு அப்பால் மற்றவர்களுடைய அனுபவங்களோடு எங்களை ஈடுபடுத்திக் கொள்கின்ற ஒரு அழைப்பாணையாகத்தான் இந்த நாளை நாங்கள் எடுத்துக்கொள்கின்றோம். இந்த நேரத்தில் யுத்தகால வன்முறைகளால் நாம் இழந்த அனைத்து உயிர்களையும் நினைவு கூறுவோம். இந்த நேரத்தில் யுத்தம் காரணமாக இன்று வரையும் பல்வேறுபட்ட வழிகளில் பாதிக்கப்பட்டு இன்று வரைக்கும் அந்த பாதிப்புகளில் இருந்து விடுபட முடியாமல் அல்லல் படுகின்ற எங்களுடைய மக்களுக்காக அவர்களுக்கான ஒருமித்த ஆதரவை வழங்குவோம் என்பதை நாங்கள் இந்த நினைவு குரல் ஊடாக தெரிவித்துக் கொள்வோம். விளக்குகள், மெழுகுதிரிகளை ஒளியேற்றுவதன் ஊடாக இந்த சமூகத்திலே இந்த வன்முறை நிகழ காரணமாக இருந்த அடிப்படை காரணங்களை வெளிக்கொணர்வதன் ஊடாக இனி ஒரு வன்முறை இந்த நாட்டிலே இடங்கொட மாட்டோம் என்பதை உறுதியோடு எங்களுடைய பங்களிப்பின் ஊடாக வெளிப்படுத்துகின்றோம்.
Welcome and thank you for joining. This moment of remembrance marks 11 years since the end of the armed conflict. For 26 years, our communities were experiencing violence of conflict. As we mark 11 years since its end, we invite you to try to go beyond the normalized narrative versus us versus them and relate to the experience of all. We take this as a moment to remember all who we have lost during the years of violent conflict. We take this as a moment to express our solidarity towards all who continue to suffer in various ways due to conflict. As we light our lamps and candles, we remember, we mourn, we express our solidarity, and we commit ourselves to address the root causes and to prevent such violence repeating again. I invite everyone who's able to light your lamp, and maybe if you can show it to the camera and share with us. I also shared this picture from earlier today that was this is a picture of the Catholic Church in Irinapalai, where 1,000 lamps were lit. A mass was celebrated earlier in the morning by a priest, 3 sisters, and 3 boys. Kanji was kept for anyone passing by to eat. People had visited one by one to pray. The priest who was there is a survivor who has experienced the direct impacts of the armed conflict. So as we share that, we remember we are a small group here, but there are many who are remembering. There are many who are in solidarity, and we must continue to come together and share our memories, our pain, and our strengths. The last minute of this remembrance, let us stay in silence. Thank you very much. we as concerned citizens organize this moment as a small gesture, small act towards raising our concern for all those who continue to suffer, and with that, committing ourselves to work towards the betterment of all. Thank you for joining today. I will end the meeting now.